How to add appointment booking to WordPress. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add appointment booking page to your WordPress website. It is very easy to do and you will be able to book appointments on your WordPress website very easily. So let's get started. First, what you need to do is you will simply open up your WordPress website, whatever website you are creating. And now this is our basic dashboard, right, of our WordPress website that we get. And in here, we can simply go ahead and add whatever we want to. We can add the media, we can check the settings, we can add plugins. So today we will be adding a plugin that will allow us to add an appointment page to our WordPress website. So in order to do that, you will simply scroll down to plugins right here. You can see and go to add new. Once you are here in add plugins, so we can add a lot of plugins here. This is a good thing about WordPress, that we can select from hundreds to thousands of different plugins and we can customize our website the way we want to. You will go to the search plugins right here and search for appointment booking. Once you search for appointment booking, then you will get a lot of different plugins right here. I have already added this plugin right here. This is an appointment or booking WordPress plugin. And you can see it has more than 3,000 active installation. Then we have this one as well. Today, I'm going to just add this one, which is appointment and event booking calendar for WordPress. And it has more than 40,000 active installation and it is compatible with my WordPress version. To install a plugin, you click on install now and it just takes a few seconds to install. After that, you can just go ahead and click on activate and your plugin will be activated right here on WordPress. You can see the plugin is added right here. So you can see we get options such as dashboard, calendar, appointments, event, service, location, customer, finance, notification, and customize. So within this plugin, I will be able to add appointments, calendars, events to my website. Let's go to the main dashboard, and this is our main dashboard that we have here. So in here, I will be able to check all of my approved appointments. If there is a pending appointment, upcoming appointment, all will be shown here. To create a brand new appointment, I can click on this plus button, or we can go to the appointment dashboard here. Go to the appointments and it will take you to your appointment option and it will allow you to set up an appointment method on your WordPress website. Here, to add a new appointment, click on new appointment option. Then we have schedule or extras. So to schedule a meeting, you will simply select a customer and we can also add a new customer. Let's go ahead and create a brand new customer first. So to create a customer, you simply enter their first name and then their last name. Then we have to enter their email address. WordPress user, if you want to create a new WordPress user, you can simply go ahead and do that, or you can just leave this option. And then we can enter their phone number and we can select a gender, date of birth. And then you can also enter a note right here if you want to. Simply click on save and a new customer is saved. And after that, you can just simply add them right here. I'm going to add the customer that I just created. There you go. And we can move on. So now we have selected a customer. We can select a category from different categories that we have created for our appointment, the different kind of appointments that are available. And we can also select a service. So I will show you how to add a service and category just in a minute. And once you have added the category and service, you will enter the date and time of your appointment. This is very important: service, date, and time. Then again, we can add a note and click on save. Once you click on save, your new appointment will be created right here. So to create services and to create different event types, what you can do is you can go to service option right here. And let's create a service first. Let me show you how you can add services. Let's say that you have created an appointment booking website, right? And you maybe sell therapy sessions. So how you can add them right here? You simply click on add category. And in category, I'm going to go ahead and add physical therapy. There you go. Click on enter and a new category will be created. Now within this category, I can go ahead and add a service. To add a service, you will find option right here, add service. Click on it. And here I can add a brand new service that I provide on my website. So let's say that I provide therapy session. There you go. Now in category, I'm going to select physical therapy. Then we will simply select the duration of our service. It is actually 1 hour and 30 minutes. We can also add a buffer time before and buffer time after. We can also select the minimum capacity and maximum capacity of the order, what a customer can order on our website. Then we also have the set recurring appointments, add description. We can also add notes, we can add text and HTML. Click on save and your brand new service will be created. Now you will be able to see that this service right here is available and people will be able to book appointment for this one right here. If I go to appointment now, there you go, and we create a brand new appointment. This time I will be able to select a service. So you can see we have category and we also have a service. Then we will simply select a date and time. Click on save and it will be saved right here. Similarly, we have events, not just appointments to my website, but I will also be able to create an event. So to create a brand new event on your website, you will simply go to events from here and it will take you to this window. You can create a new event from this option. Click your event name. Let's call it meeting. You can add date, time, and you can also add another date if you want to. We can add address, organizer, staff, and also add different tags. Once you have added all the options, click on save and a new event will be created. Similarly, I can access calendars using this plugin and I will be able to get a calendar view on my website right here. This is the calendar that we get. If we click on this plus button, it will again allow me to add a new appointment. This is a quick button and I will be able to set appointments on this calendar and it will give me a calendar view. We can of course get a monthly view, weekly view, day view, or a timeline. Then we also have customers. Again, I can create a customer and finance. If you want to customize your appointment booking appearance, you can do that from here. And it will allow you to add a professional page with a lot of different options right here on your WordPress website. So with this plugin right here, Amelia, we can simply go ahead and set up appointment booking for our WordPress website. When it comes to appearance, we can change the color, we can change the text color, background gradients, input color, drop-down text color, buttons, and more. We can also customize different fields that are available and we can add customized fields as well. We can also upgrade our Amelia to get more features. But once you add this plugin to your WordPress website, you will be able to add appointment booking on your WordPress website very easily. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to add appointment booking to your WordPress website. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.